Hi guys, good morning. This is Thermocool Showroom Sangotedo. Yeah, we sell all kind of thermocool products, ranging from refrigerator, freezers, cookers, generator, ACs, that's air conditioners, kettle, sandwich maker, washing machine, and all kind of thermocool products. Stabilizer, microwave. So here we have ACs. We have Quantum, which is the non-inverter, and we are currently on promo. If you buy, we are going to install it for you and give you a free kit. So here is our showroom. If you are coming from Aja, our showroom is after Sky Mall in Sangotedo. So you're going to make a U-turn in Ogidon. So if you are coming from Ibeju Lekki, it's before Sky Mall. Yes. So we hope to see you. Thank you guys.